Yeah, it happens from time to time. But yeah, I'm doing alright. I wasn't kind of happy with how the stream went yesterday, or just like my progress on the game yesterday. So we'll see what we can get done today. Um, I won't be able to stream for too long. I have a friend visiting today, and actually for the whole week. So we're gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna stream and hang out with him uh, throughout the week. We'll see. See what I can do. Maybe I'll start early, like maybe 2 hours earlier from our typical times. Oh, we'll see. It'd be nice to get like a better schedule going, a more consistent schedule. I mean, so right now I kind of just stream whenever I feel like it. Hey, how's it going, SB Game Dev? So I don't know. I need to figure out. Sometimes I need to figure out what we're gonna do during our stream, because like I kind of just started the stream and I was like, all right, we'll figure it out as we go. But I really don't know what to do, because okay. So yesterday we were working on the force dash, and the mechanic itself is fine. I think we still need to update the art of it. I don't think we're gonna do that today either. That was like it felt like a drag almost. I'm not an artist, so doing something that I'm not good at is usually not that fun. So I guess we'll do level design, or make an attempt at level design. Oh, but I did want to fix some stuff with our UI, specifically the climb state for our player. I'll show that off right now. So yeah, we added the button, so like whenever you're near a wall or whenever you're in the slide state, we show the UI, which is this right here. We show the grab UI, but what I think we want to do is show that the grab UI has been like activated, and I think that'd be pretty cool. And I hope I have the sprite sheet for our buttons here. I might not though. Sprite, be like Xbox maybe. So maybe I didn't save it. Is this GDB Xbox 2? Oh, you guys can't see my screen. I guess we'll share my display again. GDB Xbox. What's the point of the Explorer search thing if it never even works? Like, it's terrible at like searching through your files. Oh, it's a bug with Windows? I see. Why did I keep my drive as new volume? What is this? D drive? I don't know. I went with the flow. Oh, right. So yeah, this is the collection of buttons. What do we need? We need RT. And I think we used this one here. So yeah, LT, RT. We're gonna want to grab. What's the difference between? Oh, okay. So it's like animated. Wait, no, it's not animated. What is it? Is there a difference between these two? Yeah, there is. Okay. And is there a difference between this left one and this right one? Okay, there is. Okay, so I think. Hey, how's it going, Adam? I hope everything's alright. Oh, I see you've messaged me. I don't want to expose you. Oh, damn. Sorry to hear that, Adam. But, even though you're in a tough spot right now, I still hope everything is alright. Okay, so these are. I'm wondering. We'd probably want to leave our button at this when it's activated, and then I guess from here we can either animate it to go backwards, or maybe just have it automatically go here. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I think we'll save each of these as their own sprite sheet. So let's go into a new. Actually, I don't even know the size of this. Let's see. These are 2 tiles, so we'll grab 2 sprites before. 2 pixels before, and then 2 pixels after. 1, 2. I think we could just grab the border here. It's not too big of a deal. So yeah, this is LT. Go into create from clipboard. We've got that, and then here, what we could do? I think we could just copy and paste this over on top. Yeah, okay. But for now, let's save this as. Wait, let's see what we saved it before as. Xbox_RT or LT sprite sheet. And what's our I don't know what our directory is. Sprites controller UI. This is LT. It was the keyboard, like the keyboard wasn't working in the BIOS or whatever. Hey, how's it going, Louis? keyboard was preventing the computer from booting entirely. That's strange. I've never heard of that before. Oh, I think before so we have this LT, and right now the colors actually don't match our current current color scheme. Usually it's like black and white, you know. So maybe we'll actually, yeah, we should probably keep it consistent. Yeah, currently it's like this blue color. So if I go, let me see, furniture. I know our furniture usually has. Yeah, that's very strange. Did I make the icons? Are you talking about did I make the Xbox controller stuff? No, I didn't. Okay, so I guess we'll keep this as white. Same with this one here. And this color here, I guess our lightest blue will be our lightest gray. Our lightest gray actually might be too light. Let's see what this looks like. But this also might be too dark. Let's see what this looks like. Alright, we'll just try it out, see what happens. Yeah, that could work. I have a feeling this might be too bright, like the contrast between these two buttons is a little too much. Oh, maybe we could just make this white, or I mean black. Let's see. Oh yeah, I use Nord from time to time. You know, when I'm browsing the dark web. No, I'm kidding. So yeah, we could try making this black. Let's see. No, that looks odd. I think we should keep it like that. Let's see. Do we have any other colors? I don't think we do. Unless this is a different color. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a different color. We could do it like that, maybe. Using a VPN is nice. Well, I'll say this: I used to like torrent a lot when I was younger, so you can't really just reset your like your ISP would like notice. So yeah, I think we'll leave it like this. And I'll make a new. Actually, let's just save it for now. Do I still torrent? Not nearly as much. I used to torrent like movies and stuff, but there's like online streaming services that have that kind of stuff now. So it's like it's not really necessary anymore. How do I make this easier on myself? Like I just want to, let's just make another window. I'll copy and paste this over. But I still use I still use a VPN like from time to time, just to be like, I guess, safe. Like if I'm going on random websites. Or if like I don't want my family to know what I'm doing. Sounds strange, but that's a concern of mine. Yeah, I'm a sus guy. I have a secret identity that isn't shared during stream. So yeah, this is good. So we'll just save that as Xbox RT. So I'm thinking maybe we'll have our U. I think we'll animate this with our grab UI. Like we'll make a script for it, but I think our players going to like handle when to send signals and everything like that. It's probably ideal. So I think we want to change this. No, we'll keep it as a regular sprite, and we'll just add RT sprite sheet. So let's do this. This is RT, LT. Throw that in there. For now, let's get rid of my display capture. Okay. And this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 H frames. There we go. Hey, how's it going, A98K? We're not doing much. We're just polishing some stuff up. I'm currently polishing when we see the LT and RT, like when we're in the slide state. Right now, you know, when you're running around, you enter the slide state, it shows that you can grab the wall, but I mean, it just shows the icon. But then it disappears afterwards, so it does look a little strange. You know, like right here. Oh wait, well right now it's showing because I do the opposite, so like, and typically grab UI is hidden, so it just does the opposite. That's a good one, Geek Guy. Yeah, I can't let people know that I'm on Stack Overflow. Alright, so we're gonna try to animate this. So typically this will show, and then I guess the next frame. Wait, no. This is the next frame. Wait, what the hell? What's the difference between this, and why are they, you know, like not? Oh, I guess that's how they did it. It looks a little strange to me. It's like. Maybe it's not that strange. It is weird that it goes like, it's like bobbing back and forth. I don't think we're ever gonna use frame 3. It's just gonna go from 0 to 1 to 2, and then when you let go, it'll go back to 0. It gives a little personality. Yeah, it's like a dancing button. Alright, so let's figure out how we're gonna animate this. Usually, I mean, using an animation. Actually, if we do a animated sprite, it could work out kind of nice because all we would have to do. It could work either way, but I think if we use. We do it this way with just a regular sprite, we would have to add like a timer or like a delta to show how much time has passed before we switch to the next frame. So yeah, let's actually try doing it with an animated sprite, and I'll just do it with RT for now. And if it works with RT, we'll do it to LT. So let's do this. I'll duplicate RT. And we'll change we'll change this type to animated sprite. RT sprite sheet. We can't throw it in there. I wish we could just throw it in there. We have to actually. Whoa! What did I do here? Don't know what I did. Alright, yeah, we have to go into, what was it, sprites, controller UI, where's Xbox, RT, oh, for some reason it's just in sprites. Just throwing it into controller UI. There we go. You know why it bobs back and forth? It's because I didn't animate it correctly. We were supposed to give it 1 pixel on the left and right side there. So actually, while it does look nice, we are going to fix it. So it should be 64 by 14. I think we could crop this. Let me see. Image. Crop to selection. There we go. Wait, RT is fine. And LT. Oh, okay, yeah. So this is RT. I think if we just Control Z a bit, we'll get LT. And we'll export that as LT spreadsheet. Wait. Oops, I didn't crop the selection. How good is Godot for 3D games? I guess it depends on the scope of your 3D game. So, like, if you were, a AAA company, you probably wouldn't want to use Godot because, you'd probably want better graphics and all of that. But I mean, if you're making a simple 3D game, it should be fine. Not simple, I guess. What I mean is, physics intensive, I think Unreal and Unity are way better, or much better, at handling physics. Godot is getting there, but it's not perfect just yet. It works, but it's just not cutting edge, is what I mean. Alright, so we got our new textures here. I wonder why it's not showing anymore. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we'll go back here. We'll put RT back in there. And yeah, there we go. Wait, why is it still looking weird? This is 1 pixel. Yeah, each one has a border of 1 pixel. Why is this? A little slow today. Oh, you know what it might be? Wait. Each one should be 14 by 14. If not, we have to put it in a 14 by 14 grid. Image, configure grid. 14. Oh, you guys can't see. Oh my goodness. Apologize. Where's display capture? There we go. View. So whoever made this sprite sheet just wanted to, piss us off. Because I assume they're 1 pixel apart, but then they're not in a grid. Thanks, Mr. J Afterlife. Alright, so let's see if this fits. I don't think this is gonna fit. Oh, it is gonna fit. Okay. I feel like making stuff into a grid is the default. I guess not. Crop this to selection. Only took a few tries. Alright, so this is LT. open up RT. No raid alert yet. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Hey, how's it going, Titan? How's it going, Titan's viewers? What you guys been up to? I apologize. Yeah, I don't get it. Like, I get a notification. What is it on Streamlabs? I don't know. Maybe it has to do with the fact that I'm using Restream. But like, I get notifications when someone follows me or like, yeah, everything. But for some reason, raids don't work. Just working on the level for your trailer. Are you still working on not that abysmal place, but the ship one, right? That one looks really exciting. I'm looking forward to it. And your sounds are great too. But you probably already know that. Your sounds are always great. It's 56. Alright, yeah. 56 by 14. Export this. Alright, hopefully that's the end of me using GIMP today. Oh my god. What is this? It's not the end. It never ends. Whoops. 4. Oh, is it 5? No, what? It is 4, but why is, usually it, like, automatically... Oh, I guess we have to change it ourselves. What is this? What's 56 divided by 4? Oh, it's 14. So I guess these are larger than 14? Oh, I thought we already tested this out with LT. Oh, it is 14. What's going on? What am I working on today? So we're kind of just winging everything. Right now, I'm trying to work on the UI to show like what buttons the player can press. So like you might see right here, RT and LT on the top right of the screen. I guess this is where I'm going to show, like instead of putting it in the game itself, like above a character or something like that, like when you talk to an NPC, just buttons are going to light up when there's an option to interact with things. And so right now I'm doing it for the climb state. So like, I'll show you. Or the slide state. So when you're in the slide state, you can see that RT and LT pop up. And then when you grab it, it disappears. But what I'm going to do is when you grab it, it'll just like darken a bit to show that you're pressing RT. Yeah, that's basically it. Am I like slow today? I don't get it. This is 14. Let me see something. Oh yeah, wait, what? Wait, no. Yeah, these are 14. These are each 14, and then when I go into the grab UI here, we add an image, RT, But this does look wider here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't count that. It most definitely is wider than 14. Let's see. I'm gonna try restarting Godot. Yeah, it's so weird. It could be that maybe I just didn't save this file, but I'm pretty sure I did. Let's try it one more time. Save it right before we open up our project here. Okay, so this is in main scene. Move this UI, grab UI, RT, go here. So what are you planning to release your game in? You said, oh, you're working on the trailer right now, and then when is your planned release date? And are you planning on like selling it or something, or it's just like a fun project? What's the plan? There we go, finally. Literally didn't do any, but you know what? It was wider here. So I don't know what happened there, but I'm not gonna question it. Let's just proceed. Full release 2023. Okay, so this is like, all right. So that Abysmal Place is your secondary project, like your long-term project, and this one's going to be just like a smaller game. But I guess more polished and fully created and everything. Gotcha. Tap. I like that. There we go. Oh, that looks kind of neat. But I don't think we're gonna use the third frame. It's not going to loop, so it's just going to play. Oh, we could leave it like that. We could keep the third frame. It is, I guess, different enough where the player would know that they pressed the button. We'll see. We might want to leave it on the second frame right there. So all we want to do is, in our script here, I guess we would do something like func.pressed. Pressed RT, or we could just do pressed. And let's grab RT and LT. Right now it's RT2. So yeah, we don't really need to do anything here. I guess we'll say visible is equal to false. But yeah, other than that, we can leave it the way it is. And then in pressed, we'll just say RT dot play default. Same with LT dot play default. And before it gets pressed, or I guess maybe we'll want to have a variable or like a function that plays, or like that sets it to visible rather than just setting visible to true, because at that point we'll also want to make sure we're resetting the frame right there. So maybe we'll do func dot show buttons maybe. And then in func.showButtons, we'll just say visible is equal to true, and RT and LT dot frame is equal to 0. I think we have to do dot set frame. There we go. And I think that's it. It's pretty basic. And this is our grab UI. I don't think we ever used a script, so I don't remember where we set this. I think this might be in our UI canvas script. Okay, yeah. So toggle grab UI. Instead of doing that, we'll say grab UI node dot show buttons. Okay, comment this out. And we'll set visible after we've set the frame. So yeah, it should work like this. We'll still have to have our player send some signals to run pressed, but let's see if it works. I mean, yeah, it should work. But right now what we're doing is we're running show buttons. And it's a toggle, so maybe let's do this, toggle buttons instead. Hey, how's it going, Cuban girl? Alright, yeah, so now it should work, but we still need to figure out how to animate it. Oh, nice. What you got for lunch? So right now, the way we toggle this is we just check if the player exits the slide state, but really what we should do is check if they're in the slide state or the grab state. But if they're in the grab state, you immediately want to, I guess, set it to the third frame, or I guess the second frame. Not sure just yet. Oh, nice, nice. Staying healthy. I usually don't eat until like 5 p.m. Although my grandpa made like these empanada things today. It's like sweet potato with like beef inside or something, or pork, I think. They're still on my bed. Still haven't eaten them though. Designing my tutorial level while watching. It feels like working in a studio with another dev. That's pretty cool. That's what I usually do when I watch people stream, or even when I watch streams in general. It's like uh, yeah, it's like I'm not working alone. LT. Let's replace this with this. Oh. Yeah, the only thing when watching other people stream is like it gets me in the mood to want to stream, you know? Like when I'm watching a game dev stream, I'm like, "Oh, this is awesome. Let me get into it myself." But like at the same time, I'm like I want to be supportive of like the other people I watch. Like with like Black Void Titan, for example. Like I'm watching your stream and I want to keep like, you know, giving feedback and all that stuff, but at the same time my inner self is telling me, "Hey, you should start a stream too." I wish there was a way to like. I tried doing this with one of my friends where we did like a stream together, but it doesn't work. Like I don't know, like half of my screen is like his screen, and then the other half is me working, and then we're simultaneously working on our own games. It just doesn't work. Which enemy of your game that I thought was easiest to beat? I didn't think you can beat any of the enemies. Every time I walked into one, I just died. But I didn't beat your game yet. So how do we want to do this? We play the animation. I guess we could check. Instead of running toggle grab UI, we could also check what the player state, what state the player is in, and then inside grab UI, like kind of just check. All right, if visible is equal to false, we'll set all of these frames. If the player state is the slide state, we'll do this and that, and yeah, we can figure it all out there. Or we can have it so that our canvas UI just runs a different script that says to run grab UI or run pressed. But I think it might be better to like keep it in here. But I think we'd have to rename this to like, I don't know, manage grab UI. We could do that. Oh, to go past. I guess the most difficult would be the one that like kind of moves back and forth. I would have to look at the game again. I'm not able to build my logic in GDScript. What should I do? Is it that you're unable to like you personally, or that it's not possible in GDScript, or it seems like it's not possible in GDScript? It's so bright in the room. Yeah. I'll give you one piece of advice. 898. Like since I'm working on a platformer as well, one thing you should do with your gravity is you should cap it. So like I notice you jump high, and then by the time you hit the ground, your velocity is so much higher than your jump speed. So like hitting the ground, it was super fast. So you should max it out. Like, you know, if gravity or if motion.y or velocity.y is, you know, greater than 300, like, I think that's what I do. If velocity.y is greater than 300, I just cap it at 300. So yeah, I think we'll make another function. We'll call it manage grab UI. And we'll handle everything in here. We would have to check what state the player is in. So if they are in the grab state, so let's do this. We'll have to have a reference, and I think we have a reference to the player. Let me think about this. Yeah, I guess we could do this. In toggle grab UI, you can say if player, if level manager dot player node dot state is equal to level manager dot states dot slide. We'll run this. Otherwise, we're going to change it. Wait, let me just make sure that our states here is ideally what I should have done with our player node is make sure that our states are in the level manager, but right now they have their own their own like states. What is it, like enum or whatever that is? So let's go back into player. Oh, you have kept the velocity. So let's see. Yeah, let me just. I think it already is very similar, and it doesn't really matter too much that they are identical, but I'm gonna do it anyway. We're only really concerned with the older states anyway, in our level manager here. You know what's funny? It already was the same thing. Okay. Let's go back into grab UI. If our player state is equal to states.slide, we run this. Otherwise, elif if it's equal to states dot climb. We're gonna do the same exact thing with if it's visible or if it's invisible. But this time, it's always going to be visible. But I guess we'll set it to play this animation of we'll run pressed here for either state really. So yeah, if our state is climb, we'll set visible to true. And pressed. And then we need a place for us to reset the frame of RT and LT. Wait, we did it here. I'm not sure if there's going to be another place where we need it. Technically, we would want it here as well. When we enter the slide state again, yeah, we would reset the frame. And so, the only time we actually play the default animation is when we're in the climb state. And yeah, I think that's it, unless we're missing something. But now we have to go back into our player and make sure that we're running that code. I don't remember how we're doing that. Let me see. It's on the entrance of our slide state, so let's go into enter state. Oh, slide. Emit signal toggle grab UI. So I guess we can run that signal again. Maybe I should rename it to something better, like manage grab UI. That's probably a better signal to run, or a better name to give it. Let's do that in our grab state, which is no, not grab state, climb state. And signal parents got a phone call asking me to go to someone's house, and they gave me their old Windows Vista laptop. Why would they give you a Vista laptop? Isn't Vista like it's like the worst version of Windows they've ever created? I actually have, you know what's funny? I actually have an old Windows Vista laptop in my room. It was my stepdad's. It surprisingly still works. I mean, I don't use it, but you're gonna see what it looks like right now. Here's the laptop. It doesn't even have a monitor. It's just, you know, the keyboard. It's all broken. There's no battery in the back. But it does work from the last time I tested it out. All dusty. You like collecting old stuff? Oh yeah, I have. My dad's in IT, so like, I used to like play with old computers all the time. I have like these. I don't know. It's not that cool, but I have like old. I want to make sure my room's not like super messy before I show you guys. If you look up there, there's like 2 hard drives. I thought I'd put that in. I thought it looked cool. I also like collecting old stuff. Vintage, I guess you could say. I hope they were broken before you did that to them. Or yeah, they won't work now. I don't know if they were broken, but yeah, I think they were old and they were very small. Like maybe, I don't know. I feel like max maybe 200 gigabytes. Like, you know, not even worth like using them. Gonna shoot off. I'll see you around Blackwood. thanks for the raid again. Shout out to Black Void. He also does game dev. I wish I could. You know, the thing is, every time I wake up, you're like always streaming. I wish there was a time that I was streaming before you, so I could raid you. You just put a 200 gigabyte hard drive in your dad's computer. Well, was it an SSD? Oh wait, no, you put a hard drive. Or yeah, I don't know. I feel like 200 megabytes is way too small these days. I mean, for an SSD, I guess it's fine, you know, if you're running your like OS on it or something, but yeah, I'm afraid of using hard drives now, HDDs, just because like they could break easily. Not break easily, but like, you know, over time, you know, the what is it, like the motor starts giving out and all of that. You know, now the games are like, you know, games on average are like 150 gigabytes. You're like, I don't know. One, that's not enough space, and two, it's like, if you do want to manage space, you have to delete stuff and then install stuff, delete, install, delete. And it's like, it's only a matter of time before that motor gives out, or like, you know, something happens and the disk gets scratched or something. I don't know. I would just prefer an SSD. But if you're just like browsing and stuff, I think it's fine. Yeah, I actually had an hard drive HDD in my laptop when I first bought it. It was actually recently that I replaced it. And the reason why is like, you can kind of tell when it starts breaking, or not when it starts breaking, but there's like a tell, like a tell where it starts like making this like I don't know, makes this weird sound, and that's usually a sign like it's not on its last legs, but it's a sign that it's wearing out, and that scared me. Or it just, that was like my sign to get a SSD. How long did it take for me to get good at programming? I don't know if I'm good at programming. I think I'm decent at programming, but I've been programming for, I think, 8 years now. Oh, thanks, man. What is that? 4,423,467. I'll just call you 44. Thank you, bro. Thank you. What were we doing? Oh yeah, we were running manage UI. I wonder if it'll work. All we had to do was run it in our grab state, which I think we've already done. So now it's just a matter of seeing if it works. Oh, there is one other thing that we have to do. Right now we're checking if it's visible. If it's not oh wait, no, we're checking if the player's in the slide state. And if they are, we'll set it to visible. And I guess yeah, I guess we could leave it like that. The only issues with the Vista laptop or Vista Top is that you can see that the hinge covers are missing a 0 key. Oh, and a missing 0 key. Okay, I'm a slow reader. So wait, nothing's happening. Let's see. Thanks for the follow, 44. So I'm pretty sure this is running. Let me see. Print managing grab UI. No, it's not. Maybe we messed up here. Oh, you know what it is? In our UI canvas, toggle over here. Wait, no. In our main scene. Let's see. Where do we run manage UI? Oh, it might be in our level manager. Player node.toggle grab UI. Yeah, it's manage grab UI and toggle grab UI. I guess we could call it manage grab UI as well. Eventually, we'll probably want to do this like we'll have one function managing all like UI elements, maybe like the exit. I probably should have done that to begin with, but I guess we didn't know how we were gonna manage like the main menu and escape menu until now, I guess. So manage grab UI. We'll put that into our level manager. Player node.connect manage grab UI to UI canvas node and manage grab UI. Let's see if this works. Print screen 3 times and it screenshotted my entire screen 3 times and uploaded all 3 Imgur, all 3 to Imgur. Oh, I didn't know that was a thing. So yeah, the frame rate's a little too slow. Maybe we can change that to like, let's try 10 FPS. Oh wait, it's already 10 FPS. Let's do 20. Oh wait, why are these? Oh, I guess because we made them. What you have to do is make this unique. So this is LT and this is RT. Let's make this unique. Otherwise, it's sharing the same resource right here when we duplicated it. So I'll delete this. Go into here. Put RT again. 1. Wait, what? Oh, I was gonna say, why is it doing it again? But it's fine. Okay. I'll hide that. RT, LT. Okay. Where is? Oh, LT. Did we mixed up the two? So I'll put this here. We'll call this LT. Actually, I'll leave it at the corner for now, but I think we should give it a origin of some kind. It's all the, there are like so many subtle things that go into game dev. Okay, so right now it's only showing in the grab state, or right now it's like, yeah, it's super buggy. Let me see. it might be because in our ready function, let's see. In our ready function, we did set it to visible equals false. And then when we enter the slide state, if it's not visible, we set it to true and we reset the frames. Otherwise, if we enter this the slide state, it's possible that we're actually not, even though it asks if we're in the slide state, technically we're in the enter slide state. No, it should work. It should work. Our state is already state.slide when this is running. But yeah, wait. Let's run this again and see what happens. I won't press grab just yet. Let's see. So it works there, and then if I press right trigger, it works, and then if I let go, then it disappears. So we're in the slide state currently, and when we're in the slide state, if it's equal to false, we're setting it to true. That's not the case. I guess if we're in the slide state, it should always be true. So we can get rid of this. Wait, no. Like that. Elif, if we're in the climb state, we'll do that. And I guess we could have another one for the exit state. I don't know if we already put it in the exit state, but we'll see. Visible is equal to false. And when we exit the climb state, I guess we want to make sure that we're telling it to stop, because right now we run press, but we never end the animation. So I guess what we could do, we could make a signal here and just say on animation finished, LT and RT just got stopped. Or we could also put it in the entrance of our slide state. And we can maybe make a function saying reset animations. Now let's just do that. Func reset animations. So instead of writing set frame, we'll just say reset animations. And on the exit state, we could, we don't have to worry about it there. All right, let's see. There we go. We don't have anything running on our player exit slide state or exit climb state, so we'll do that now. I thought we might have, let me see. What did we call it? Toggle. Okay, so we're still running it. We're still calling it toggle grab UI, so it should be manage grab UI. But we only want to do this. Actually, yeah, we could emit this signal in the exit of our slide state, because what's going to happen is we're already in the grab state, so nothing should change. But we also want to make sure that we're running this on the exit of our climb state. So technically, it's going to be running twice. It shouldn't matter. Like we're going to be running manage UI twice. How close am I to release? I honestly, I can't tell you, man. I mean, I'm trying to release it for the Kickstarter, like the demo for the Kickstarter in December, maybe like mid-December. but full release, I don't know. So I think we're gonna get rid of the final frame in Grab UI, this one right here. So it's like darkened. Like that. Yeah, like that. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's such a, it's like a subtle thing in the game, but you know what they say, like, people won't notice the small things in your game, but they will notice if it's not there. So yeah, those are things that we have to like put into our game. Like right now, I'm working with a sound designer, or like I just started working with the sound designer, and he's working on things that I feel like some people might not consider to be very important in a game, like subtle sounds, like little details in sounds. Like we're updating the sound for our spring, we're updating the sound for our zip line. There's like an entrance and exit sound. There's going to be a slide state sound, a climb sound. And yeah, these things might not be important to most people, or like people won't consider the sounds that go into it, but I will. And I'm trying to make this game perfect. I guess, like as a solo developer, you have to consider like all the little things that go into a game. Usually, like AAA companies or like just bigger companies tend to just outsource these things. Or, I mean, I'm technically outsourcing it as well, right? Like I'm not an artist, I'm not a sound designer. So I go to people that can do those things. Some solo developers are able to do like all of those things themselves, but not me. I mean, I could do it, but I feel like the quality of the game wouldn't be as good. Like, I can't make pixel art, or I can't animate in pixel art. So, you should see the older version of this game. It was, like, very, very simple. The art style, I mean. You make SFX alone. I did make all of these sounds that you currently hear. I've made. If that means anything, I'm just trying to make it nicer. Oh, I didn't make that sound that you heard just now with the platform falling. My friend Macy actually made that. Alright, so that was the plan. I mean, that wasn't the plan for today's stream, but I guess that's what we got done. It wasn't much, but it does look cool. I like seeing the animation. Have I ever played Hue? Yeah, I actually have. I think I have it on the Switch. I think I actually bought the game for my sister, and she might have played it a bit, but not really. I think I started like using it, and then I started playing it. So something that I've been avoiding for the past couple of streams, or I mean, I did try it 2 days ago, was level design, and that's something we're going to have to, I guess, confront pretty soon. But today is kind of like I have a friend visiting today, and they're gonna stay at my place for like a couple of days. So I am going to try to keep streaming. Like I still want to stream every day. But we'll see. We'll see if I could manage to like multitask. game kind of gives Q/window Limbo vibes. Definitely Limbo. Like that was one of the inspirations for this game. I didn't see Hue, but I kind of see it, and I was actually thinking of adding colors to the game, or like, you know, how Hue works, right? Is like you can manipulate the colors of other objects to see if like you can collide with them and stuff. I wasn't gonna do something like that, but I was thinking like, you know, the further you progress through the game, the more colors that you can see in the world, and maybe those mechanics, like a specific mechanic might have a certain color. So like, you know, maybe this object would be blue, or like, you know, these weird looking things right here would be green. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, we'll figure it out. I don't have much planned for this stream, and I don't want to start something and then not finish it during the stream. Complex as hell to implement. I don't think it would be complex, but I think it would be very tedious. Yeah, I guess complex might be the right word. Complex as in just a lot of stuff to add. In terms of difficulty, yeah, I feel like there would be a lot to consider. Like, yeah, you would go into it, you know, start making some stuff, and then bug out, or like, yeah, you'd find some bugs, and then you have to go back and fix it. But yeah, I don't have much left for this stream because I have to go soon. But if you guys still want to watch people like streaming, let's see if we could find someone to raid with the 3 viewers on Twitch. Fortunately, we can't raid anyone via YouTube.
Fire. Oh, hi, Latte.
But if you guys want to switch over to Twitch, we can try raiding someone. Let's see. Well, let me know if you guys want to raid someone. If you don't, we could just end the stream here. Oh, A98K is on Twitch now. So that's one more person we've got to raid someone with. So much to choose from. See what this guy is doing. He looks pretty cool. Property scripting.
When you start with better ingredients, better pizza, you also get better papadillas, better cheese sticks, better yummy this, and better tasty that.
With this, or you can get with that.
Get any 2 or more for just $6.99 each. That's Papa John's.
Damn, is everyone an affiliate?
Attach all, and I think that's my problem. And I'm not sure what my solution is yet, but my hunch is that there's a second on value change coming in. We're not hooking it twice, pretty sure, because we called this before we add. And there's a remove.
Oh wait, this is not game. This is not game dev.
How do we?
If any of you guys stream, let me know. I'd be more than happy to raid you.
Also ich bin da echt, das Ding ist, ich habe das halt am Anfang
typed in philosophy and search for your channel. Do you discuss? So it's not the. I guess it's not the main point of my stream. I usually do game dev and stuff. So like I'll stream myself programming and all of that, stuff like that. But I'm always down to talk philosophy. So like I like having like philosophical debates. I mean discussions. I'm usually pretty like I guess I know like philosophical discussions can sometimes get heated, but like I enjoy them. They're fun. So yeah, if you ever have a topic you want to bring up, for sure, let's do it. Yeah, most of the time I'm just programming, and I'll just whatever people type into the chat, I'll I guess respond to. What is this person doing?
Alright, that is.
Refactoring a large ionic angular. What is this? Finite singularity. Django app from the beginning, planning a real-world project. This guy has 63 views. He must be.
This would be imported. If you just hit /courses, you get a list of courses. Fantastic. Perfect. If you hit /courses and provide a course ID, you get the details on that ID. That works great too, right? To make a new course, you have to go to courses/create.
Seems like he's very smart and helpful. What language is this? From project.education.import. Is this? I don't know. Well, let's rate him with the two people that are currently watching. How do we do this? My channel. Grab finite singularity. Finite singularity. Oh. /raid. Alright, I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. You two people. I'll just end the stream after the raid. Alright.